Hello and welcome to PittPharmacy. My name is Madison Kornides and I am from Latrobe, Pennsylvania. I applied and was accepted into the 2+4 guaranteed program at Pitt. I chose the University of Pittsburgh because of the wonderful opportunities, connections, and faculty at the school. I am currently an intern at UPMC Presbyterian and have previously been an intern at Giant Eagle Pharmacy. Both opportunities have helped me apply what I learned in school, work in a variety of teams, and gain invaluable experience in a career with so many options. I am currently considering ambulatory care and clinical pharmacy, with an interest in psychiatric pharmacy. Some of the organizations I am involved in include the College of Psychiatric and Neurologic Pharmacists, the American Pharmacists Association Academy of Student Pharmacists, the Student Society of Health System Pharmacists, and of course, RxAmbassadors. Outside of school, I enjoy knitting, painting, reading, and embroidery. Did you know that the University of Pittsburgh was originally chartered as the Pittsburgh Academy just 10 weeks before the Constitutional Convention in 1787? Hail to Pitt Pharmacy!